Pop-ups on your Shopify store can be useful for promotions or capturing leads, but they can also be distracting for customers. Here's how to remove or disable pop-ups on Shopify. Disable pop-up from Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, go to Online Store and then click on Themes. Select Customize for the theme you're using. Depending on the theme, you may find pop-up settings under sections like Theme Settings, Pop-ups or Notifications. If there's a pop-up or promotional section, turn it off or disable it. Remove pop-up apps. If you install a third-party app to manage pop-ups, go to the app section in your Shopify admin. Find the pop-up app in the list and click on it. Most apps will have an option to disable or remove the pop-up feature. You can also uninstall the app entirely by clicking Delete. Edit code to remove custom pop-ups. If your theme has custom pop-ups integrated into the code, go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. Look for JavaScript or HTML files related to the pop-up, and remove or comment out the code that triggers the pop-up.